This is your weekly weather briefing for the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi for Thursday, June 4th, 2026. Important updates for this briefing. Dry today with daily shower and storm chances Friday into next week. We'll look at the rainfall totals, increasing heat and humidity, the local area rivers, drought monitor, and tropical weather outlook. In addition, we'll glance at the locally heavy downpours possible this weekend. Most of the area will see a brief break in humidity today, with temperatures a bit below normal. A few showers and storms are possible in eastern Louisiana. Tonight, a quiet evening is expected under mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. Lows will be seasonable in the low 60s to the east and mid 60s to the west. For Friday, scattered showers and storms are possible generally south of Interstate 20. Expect mostly sunny skies to the north with seasonable daytime highs, mid to upper 80s area-wide, and increased humidity. We are expecting dry forecast today before rain chances move back in south of Interstate 20 tomorrow. High moisture stream will bring locally heavy rain potential this weekend, and this wet pattern with diurnal thunderstorm development is expected daily through next week. A slug of moisture will lift north from the Gulf into the area this weekend as a disturbance pushes in the region. This will bring good chances for showers and storms with locally heavy rainfall in east to southeast Mississippi. In addition to that, very humid conditions. Highs will top out in the 80s with heat indices in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees late weekend. Rainfall totals through next week will be around 1 to 2 inches, with locally higher amounts, especially in central to southern Mississippi, with these areas rainfall totals being observed mainly focused in this weekend. High temperature forecast for the next week will be increased heat and humidity with a return to highs in the lower 90s into next week. Some increased heat stress is possible next week as well. The river forecasts are generally pretty quiet. Most areas, latest stages are with no flooding, except Natchez, which is in action stage, is currently actually a little bit higher at 39.2 and forecast to reach 39.5 feet. Latest drought monitor, there have been recent rains that have made improvements with areas southeast of Natchez Trace not in any drought categories, while to the northwest, around D0, abnormally dry, to D1, moderate drought conditions. We still continue to deal with D3, extreme drought, to a small area of D4, exceptional drought for the Delta region. Here's the tropical weather outlook with a quiet day and week for areas in the tropics. As a reminder, the National Hurricane Center are implementing a new version of the cone graphic. Includes a depiction of all land-based, coastal, and inland tropical storm and hurricane watches and warnings. This and other changes can be found at the National Hurricane Center website. So in summary, dry today before storms in the south Friday. Daily shower and thunderstorm chances this weekend into next week, with some chances for locally heavy downpours this weekend. Rainfall totals around 1 to 2 inches, especially in southeast Mississippi. Increasing heat and humidity. Local area rivers are mostly in check, except Natchez in action stage. Some improvements to drought monitor in southeast Mississippi, with continued concerns in the Delta region and quiet in the tropics. So thanks for viewing this weather briefing. These are usually conducted on Thursdays, and sometimes in situations of other weather situations. You can visit our website, contact us via email or social media. Thank you.